Alright, so I figured I would share with you how I'm fixing the bottom edge of my sweater. This is the Flax Light by Tin Can Knits, and as you can see, the bind off has come undone partly, and I'm not sure exactly why. I think it got caught on a nail or something. So I'm going to start over here where the stitches first started coming undone. And I got a little tiny crochet hook. It is a US 7 1.5 millimeter, and I am trying to get those tiny stitches. Crochet that stitch closed. All right, this is a 2.35 millimeter, a good bit bigger than the other one. I think I'll be able to grab the yarn a little easier. So not only did the bind off come out, but so did most of the row right before the bind off. And it's just a simple matter of catching those stitches, reworking them, and I just put a yarn over in there because I want a little bit more stretch in the fabric. And I think that's how I did the bind off to begin with, but I really don't remember. Anywho, it's not focusing. I am going to finish picking up all of these stitches and finishing the bind off, and when I get to the end or close to the end, I will be back. Okay, so I've got 4 stitches to pick up now, but this one has dropped 3 rows as well as the bind off, and the next stitch too. So this is a knit stitch. It's pretty easy to work it up. And then I'm just gonna have plenty of extra yarn right here, so I'm trying to use it up. The next 2 are purl stitches, and I'm just gonna turn it around and treat it like a knit stitch. There we go. I just want the one stitch, not the one below it. Oh, come on. Fiddly thing. Would you like to watch a video on how not to fix a messed up sweater? Don't answer that. Oop, I'm off camera. Well, I had that stitch done. Look at that. It just completely ran away on me. I'm off camera again. One more time. Picking up this stitch, this row. Ugh. Obviously, I don't know how to talk. Oh, it's only one stitch dropped. Excellent. Don't fall again. I turn it around. One of the problems is that this yarn, I think it did get caught on a nail. And so Yeah, there's only one strand there when there should be two. So I'm going to go back through with the needle and thread and fix it. You know, all that work and it didn't do any good. So now last stitch, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to pull the bind off yarn through and leave it on the hook for now. There, that whole section from here to here was broken and now it's fixed. Okay, so here's my last stitch on the hook. Here is my needle and thread. It's just a regular sewing needle. And I am going to grab the stitch. I've got my thread knotted in 2 layers, so I'm just going to split them and slip the needle through the loop. That way I'm not going to lose this loop at all. And then I'm just going to sew it where it belongs. And yeah, there's a little piece, a little tail sticking up. I will attempt to hide that. No promises that this is going to work. Nope. Okay. Now I am going to just whip stitch this entire little edge here so it doesn't tear again. Try not to do it too tight, but you can see that doesn't even look half bad. So now to knot it and tie it off, and I'm done. And I think I'm going to do a bit of, oh, I don't know, a bit of going from one stitch to another, and then 1, 2, 3, tie it off, and just break it. There we go. Now, not the prettiest, and unfortunately, I just realized I put that knot on the outside, not the inside. Oh well. All done, and I can now wear this, and it only took about 15 minutes to fix a 1.5 to 2 inch section. And it's not as stretchy, but it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.